is about installing the double wheel for the back of the truck, either truck or buses. I always remember to line up the valve. The valve, notice that you can see it all the way through the other wheel, just in case the tire needs to pump. So you have to line up the valves. Notice that's the back one around the other side, right here, right there, and this is the front one. So basically, if you have to put the thing to pump it right here, here was you have space. Same thing for this. Okay, this is just a little reminder, because most people just put the wheel on and then in fact when it puncture they can't really get it pumped because the valve in the way of the other tire, or the other rim rather. So this is just a little reminder in terms of to install it.